Hey friends, ready to take your content to the next level? Let me introduce you to the secret weapon Content Mastery Blueprint. Content Mastery Blueprint reveals the proven steps to create high-converting content for any platform effortlessly. Imagine having learned practical techniques that work across platforms. Each chapter builds on the last, taking you from basics to expert level. Maximize productivity without sacrificing quality. This comprehensive guide empowers you to produce engaging posts, articles, and videos that drive results. Features include keep organized and consistent, techniques to connect with readers instantly, tailored advice for blogs, social media, and more. Say goodbye to confusing strategies, uncertain content goals, long hours with little payoff. Instead, enjoy clarity in your content plan, more time to grow your brand, increased audience engagement. Plus, we've got amazing bonuses. With Content Mastery Blueprint, achieving content success has never been easier. No more lack of direction, missed engagement opportunities, or burnout. Hi, I'm Achilles Mardi, a content strategy expert with over 10 years of experience helping businesses grow through strategic content. I believe anyone should be able to build a thriving brand without complex or costly tools. That's why I'm sharing my review of Content Mastery Blueprint to help you succeed without stress. And I'm so confident you'll love it that I'm offering a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Want to learn more? Check the link in my description and get started today.